people on the hot mic.
Yeah, I immediately muted them.
Yeah, I'm muted.
Brondo Martin.
I thought you wanted to fight.
007. No, because they're
just making noise.
Yeah,
Oh.
that's like the noise of like someone's like air conditioner or whatever the fuck. Like, I can't fight with a fan.
I think I'm better than all y'all motherfuckers, and I'm gonna go to bed.
Okay.
Good night.
Good night.
Bye.
Night, guys.
Good night. Love you.
Love you too. Bye bye.
Love you, Jared.
I said I fucking love you too, but I meant to as in like I also love you.
I understood that.
Okay. Good. I'm just checking because I didn't want to be like, yeah. Thank you, Kat. Hey, Queen. Can you see my laser?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, I kind of want to get rid of it, but it helps with my aim.
Makes
hate
you
it.
stepping quicker too.
Yeah.
Smooch.
Smoosh. Oh, I hate saying goodbye, but I love seeing her walk away. Just.
Oh, I'm stunned. No, fuck. No, I'm dead.
And I walked into a grenade.
Yeah, the grenade killed me because I couldn't move away.
Oh, this is like hard point.
Yeah.
Not hard point. Whatever the fuck this is.
Domination.
Domination. Don't worry, guys. Don't worry, everyone. Okay, I got B for us.